Millions of jobs are changing, and millions of workers need new skills to keep up. That's why governments, corporations, and global organizations are investing billions into workforce reskilling programs. The goal? Train people faster and prepare them for the next generation of jobs. Today, we're breaking down where that funding is going and how organizations are accessing it. Technology is transforming industries like healthcare, manufacturing, finance, logistics, and energy. At the same time, many workers don't yet have the skills needed for these roles. Reskilling programs help close the skills gap, reduce unemployment, support economic growth, and create upward mobility. This is now one of the largest global funding priorities. The Department of Commerce Good Jobs Challenge is a federal program that funds large-scale workforce training initiatives. Funding range: $1 million to $10 million plus. Programs funded include regional workforce partnerships, job training programs, and employer-driven training initiatives. The focus is on placing people into quality jobs quickly. Scholas partners with corporations and foundations to deliver IT training programs, cybersecurity education, and tech workforce development. Many programs are fully funded and designed to help participants move directly into technology careers. This is about real-world placement. Strata funds initiatives that connect education directly to employment. Programs focus on career pathways, workforce training, and post-secondary education outcomes. Funding often supports programs that improve job placement success. It's about bridging the gap between learning and earning. The BlackRock Foundation Workforce Grants invest in programs that help individuals gain job-ready skills, transition into new careers, and improve long-term earning potential. Programs often focus on economic mobility and financial resilience. They are investing in the foundation of the future workforce. The World Economic Forum Reskilling Revolution is a global initiative aimed at reskilling millions of workers and preparing them for digital jobs. The goal is to reach over 1 billion people with training opportunities. This is a global-scale operation. Organizations that secure reskilling funding typically partner with employers, focus on job placement outcomes, and align training with real market demand. High-performing programs often include certifications, apprenticeships, and job placement pipelines that provide measurable results. Let's break this down. If a workforce program receives $1 million in funding and trains 200 participants, and even 150 participants secure jobs paying $60,000 annually, that creates $9 million in new annual income. That's why reskilling programs are being funded at scale. The math is simple, but the impact is profound. Workforce reskilling intersects with legal structuring, education programs, and financial planning. Professionals can help clients build training programs and align them with funding. To learn how to structure these opportunities, explore lawfirminabox.com. Master the strategy behind the funding. Workforce reskilling is one of the fastest growing areas of grant funding in the world, but most organizations still haven't positioned themselves to access it. Visit grantsforai.com and explore the open grants that you might be able to qualify for with a little restructuring and rebranding. You can also explore a grant matching session, book a pro bono consultation, or attend a free grant matching event. Start your journey today.